I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy waffles. Preheat your waffle iron, then mix dry and wet ingredients separately before combining them gently. Rest the batter for 5 minutes while you heat the iron to get crispier edges. Use 1 cup batter per waffle or follow your iron's guide. Cook each waffle about 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown and steam slows, then serve warm. Start by whisking flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in one bowl, and lightly beat eggs with milk and melted butter in another. Gently fold wet ingredients into dry until streaks remain, avoiding overmixing that causes tough waffles. If you want extra lift, separate eggs and whip whites until soft peaks form, then fold in. Let batter sit 5 minutes while you preheat the iron for best texture and consistent cooking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice keeps your car smelling great after grocery runs with syrup and butter aromas, so your commute stays fresh between waffle stops. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Serve waffles hot with butter and syrup, or get creative with fruit, yogurt, and nuts for texture contrast. Stir in chips, spices, or citrus zest to the batter for quick variations that change the whole breakfast. For make-ahead meals, freeze cooled waffles flat with parchment between and reheat in a toaster for 2 to 3 minutes to restore crispiness. Enjoy experimenting with sweet and savory toppings to match your morning mood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.